Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ray. Check it out, guys. Got another how to DIY eye candy type of video. All right, guys, check it out. Gonna go straight to it. I'm gonna be replacing the lights to my, what do we call this, the license plate lights. Now, as you can see right here, I picked up some LED lights from F-150 LED. But before we get started, guys, check out this packaging. All right, kudos to F-150 LEDs. This is some nice packaging. All right, when I received this, I was thoroughly impressed on their packaging. All right, I even opened it up for the lights, but the packaging, I got to give it to them. Guys, they're doing some good job, and what I like about it too, they even signed it. See how custom made? When a company devotes some time into their packaging, all right, it says a lot about that company. All right, and they're not paying me. Listen, I paid for this, but I must admit, being a small business owner myself, packaging is very important, and they took their time to put this together, and I must admit, I like it. So just one suggestion, guys, if you're looking at this video, since you put that all the effort in designing this, why not just give you a little tap here so we just can rip it open nice and easy without worrying about cutting it? That's all. Just a suggestion from a customer, but I do like the packaging, so check them out. All right, so what we're gonna do, guys, enough with the packaging. We're gonna talk about me installing the lights into this tailgate. All right, a simple DIY quick upgrade. All right, as you know, these are just simple warm colored lights. Don't put out much light to the back of the plate, so we're just going to simply do a quick updating of these lights. So thank you for joining me. Like, subscribe, and let's get in the video. Alright, guys, I opened it up, and what I like about it, other than their packaging, which is excellent, all right, they sent me a key ring also. Stand out, shine brighter. That's a good look. I like that. All right, so this is how it comes, guys, in the packaging. So, and again, it's for the tailgate license plate. So what we're gonna do is up here it shows SuperDuty. All right, from the 15 model all the way to 2000. So we're gonna install this now. And again, guys, just to let you know, we're gonna have to reach underneath the bumper, all right, to pull the light out for both of these. So again, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up the camera, I'm gonna get the little endoscope to see if I can point it out exactly what we're doing. All right, so let's try to get this going. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm trying to show it to you, that's the lighting for the tailgate. So we're gonna have to get to that part right there to twist it out. All right, guys, so it's right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just try to get my hand in there. It's kind of tight fit, and I'm just gonna twist it to the left and bring it down. And right there is the bulb. All right, so what we're gonna do now is just pull it out, just like that. All right, and right now, I'm just gonna replace it. Now, before I put it in, I just want to make sure it works. Okay. All right, that didn't come on, so let me turn it around the other way. All right. There you go. Yeah. All right, so wait till it shut off. There you go. All right, you just have to play with it, make sure you put it in correctly. All right, so now I'm gonna just put it back up in its spot. Let me show you guys. If you need to get out, I think it's the better way. Instead of trying to go from the front of the location, unless you got small hands, it's best to come through the back, through this end, and stick your hand through. It's a lot more easier to get to. All right, so let's do the other side. All right, guys, same thing on the other side. Just gonna bring it down and pull it out. All right, gotta hold my fingers over this. Let's see. Okay. Now let's see if it works. Okay. If it doesn't work, you're gonna have to take it out and turn it around to the other side. There you go. There you go. All right. All right, guys. There's the after. Definitely improvement. And as you can see, it matches better with this light here in the same color temperature. All right, so that's just a quick 5-minute install, very easy to do. And again, the only difficult part about it, guys, is that it is a tight fit. So if you're a big guy with big arms and big hands, you're probably gonna have to get your wife or kids to help you out, all right, to reach up there. It's not that hard. Just twist it, it comes right out, plug the bulb in, and twist it back in. But other than that, guys, that's a good look. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I got a few other things coming up. I'm going to replace the back lights also with LEDs to brighten it up. All right, guys, so that's a quick how-to, little Tremor porn, I guess you can call it. All right, for you guys also looking to do the same type of upgrade. All right, please like, subscribe, and I'll check you out on the next one.